Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the error Internet Explorer cannot display the web page on Windows 7. This problem is very common and usually happens because of network or browser settings. So let's fix it step by step. First of all, make sure your internet is working. Try opening another website or use another browser if you have one. Also restart your router or modem and your computer. Many times a simple restart fixes the issue. Now open the Internet Explorer, go to Tools, Internet Options, Connections, LAN Settings. Make sure user proxy server is unchecked. Then click OK and restart Internet Explorer. Next, reset Internet Explorer, go to Tools, Internet Options, Advanced, Reset. Check the box to delete personal settings and click Reset. Close Internet Explorer and open it again. Now let's clear the DNS cache. Click Start, type CMD, right click and choose Run as administrator. Type this command ipconfig/flush DNS. Press enter. You should see a message that DNS cache was cleared. Check firewall or antivirus. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus blocks Internet Explorer, so just temporarily disable it and test the browser. If it works, add Internet Explorer to the allowed app list. In command prompt, type NATSHINT IP reset. Restart your computer after this. This resets your network configuration. So yes, these were the best ways to fix Internet Explorer cannot display the web page error in Windows 7. Just try each method one by one and your problem should be solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below and thanks for watching.